The show's first day drew eyes toward defense and military hardware from countries like Russia and Israel. The star on the tarmac outside the exhibition hall was Russia's Checkmate fighter jet, which was shown to the press in a custom-built hangar with a display of laser lights bouncing off a mirrored ceiling. The jet, with a baseline $35 million price tag, is a less costly competitor to the US F-35, which the UAE has been trying to acquire since formally recognizing Israel last year in a deal brokered by the Trump administration. The air show is taking place near Dubai's Al Maktoum Airport, a second and smaller international hub to Dubai's main airport. Although commercial travel remains uncertain amid the pandemic, cargo volumes are already above pre-pandemic levels.